Good morning all of you. I am Fahim Iqbal. Today my topic is Unix. Now come to the basic commands of Unix. In the previous class, the topic of the previous class was the structure of the Unix operating system, how the Unix operating system works, and Unix is working in which phenomena and which different aspects of the Unix. Today I am discussing here the commands. Now we have the first basic command, how to create a file. This command is called cat. Now come to the cat command. The full form of the cat command is concatenation. Concatenation is the command for creating a file, is the one aspect. Display a file is the another aspects. And the third one is appending a file or files. Now first of all, how to create a file on Unix. Now come to the $prompt cat greater than symbol. This greater than here we are calling as redirect output operator. This greater than with cat, here we are using blank space, and after blank space here to assign file name, cat blank space redirect output is the symbol of greater than, and then after file name, and then type enter, and here to type contents of the file. After typing contents of the file, we already know that the file is the collection of record, and collection of file is called directory. After type the record inside the file and end of the file, to press Ctrl plus D, save and exit. Save and exit. Now you are create a file with this file name. Create cat concatenate blank space redirect output file name, then press enter key, and here the content of the file. At the end of the file, now type Control D, and save and exit the file. Save and exit the file. Now how to display the contents of the file. This command is used for creating a file. Now next command, how to display the contents of the file. Now come to the another command, cat and space file name. cat space file name. Now display the contents of the file. Suppose we want to display the contents of the file with line number. Then we are using the switch option. With the help of the switch option, to display with line number -n space file name. There are the three things with cat command. One thing is creating a file, cat redirection greater than symbol, file name, enter, and type the contents of the file, and at the last end of the file, Control D. Control D means save and exit the file. Now we read the contents of the file cat space file name to display the contents of the file. We want to display with line number, then use switch. This is called switch, this is called option. Cat minus n space file name. The file will be displayed with line number. One line number, 2 line number, 3 line number. Suppose a file having only 3 lines, then display 3 line with number. This is minus n. We want to display the last line of the file only, end of the file, end of the line of the file. Then we are using minus E option, minus E option. With the help of this minus E option, the end of the file to display. Last line जो file का होगा वो display हो. Now again repeat, cat command is used for concatenation. With the help of this command to create a file, to display a file, to display with line number, display either the end of the file. Now come to the another option of the cat command. How to use this cat command to amend and append a file. Something if you want to, after creating a file, to add something. But you must be know anything will be add in the file at the last line of the file, after the last line of the file. Now use double greater than symbol and then exist file name and then press enter button. Double greater than symbol is used for append a file. For change anything in a file after last line, then we are using double greater than symbol, cat double greater than file name, enter, and then here to type something, and then at the last press Ctrl D. Press Ctrl D. This line will be add at the bottom of the file. This double greater than symbol is used for add a line after creating a file. Suppose if you want to modify and delete the line of the file or either edit the file, then the cat command is only used for creating a file, display a file, append a file, display with a line number, display with end of the file. But you can't be possible to edit the file. If you want to edit an existing file with the help of creating a cat command, then we are use the editor to edit exist file. Now there are so many editor available on Unix. The VI is the visual editor, we already very important editor, VI, and ED is the another editor, SED super editor, Nano is the graphical and the command will be displayed at the bottom of the line, Nano, Pico, these are the editors available in Unix. Suppose you want to edit a file, then we are use the editor at the $ prompt, type nano, N-A-N-O. Nano is the name of the editor, just like a notepad in Windows, and Microsoft Windows having two editors. One editor name is called Notepad, another editor name is called WordPad. And difference between a Notepad and WordPad, Notepad is a text only to support text, but in WordPad is also support picture, color and bullets, but in Notepad this type of things is not available in Notepad. Notepad is a editor, and here the Nano is a editor of Unix to edit a file after creating with the help of cat command. Nano file name, then the Nano editor will be open. At the bottom of this editor, here to display the option of the command. No need of required to remember the command in nano editor. All these commands will be displayed at the bottom. Suppose Control X for cut, Control U for undo, like this type of things will be displayed. After edit the lines of the file, then press Control X and then Y for yes and enter. After, how to edit a file? Nano space file name, enter. Then after, open the nano editor, and in the nano editor to modify the lines or either delete the lines, and then how to exit this file, this editor, nano. Now press Control X, then give a display option. Do you want to save? Yes. And then press enter to again comes to the dollar prompt. Again come to the dollar prompt. Now come to the another command with a command of Unix after cat and editor of the nano. Cat is used for creating a file, display a file, append a file, display with line number, display with end of the lines, and then if you want to edit a file with the help of editor. Now come to the another command of Unix is very important. This command is used for CP. CP is the command used for copy a file or files. CP is in DOS, name of the command copy. In DOS, cat, synonym command in cat, in DOS, copycon. And read a file, here in DOS, typ type space file name. If you are modifying the creating file, existing file, the name of the command in DOS, edit, edit space file name. Here in Unix, CP is the command used for copy a file to one place to another place. Copy is the syntax source and space destination. Source is the first place, here the original file is exist, and here to copy the file at the place of destination. Then CP command is used, how to use at the dollar prompt, dollar CP. The file name is BCA4 to copy BCA4A. This one is the source, this one is the destination. One thing you must be remember, if you are copying a file to one place to another place, if both are exist, copy a file and destination at the same directory, no need of required the path, no need of required the path. If you are to change the directory of the source, then must be required and must be mentioned the path. How to know the path? The another command to know the path of the Unix, with the help of the command $pwd, pwd. The full form of pwd, P for present, W for walking, and D for directory, present working directory, pwd. With the help of pwd to show the path of the current directory, and after to knowing the current directory, and then to change the directory to the this file to the another file, then after showing this path and to mention at the place of destination if you want to change. Then come to this command pwd cp, and how to create a directory in DOS. How to create a directory in DOS. The directory command in DOS mkdir and md. Here in Unix, the same command will be used for creating a directory in Unix. mkdir, here the name of directory, mkdir. Directory, we already know the directory is the collection of file. mkdir command is used for creating a directory or subdirectory. Directory within a directory is nothing but subdirectory. And you are creating a directory, and then how to enter inside this directory. Then come to the dollar prompt, cd name of the directory, cd name of the directory. Now you are entered inside the directory, and after enter inside the directory, how to exit to this directory. Cd is the change directory, the full form of the cd. Then use cd space dot dot. Here one thing is must be remembered, DOS and Unix. If you are using DOS, cd dot dot. If you are using in Unix, cd blank space dot dot. Then you change the directory, cd command. mkdir command is used for make a directory. cd is used for entered inside the directory, cd space directory name. अगर उस डायरेक्टरी से बाहर आना है, if you want to exit on this directory, then cd blank space and then after use dot dot. अगर ये DOS होता, सपोज DOS में और CD के कमांड DOS और Unix में एक ही अंतर है. In DOS we are used CD dot dot. In Unix CD blank space dot dot. Today in this session we have learned cat command is used for creating a file and with the different option, as well as cat greater than symbol file name, cat double greater than symbol file name for append a file, cat -n file name with line number to display a file, cat -e to display the end of the file. And after that, if you want to modify the file, then we are using nano, and they come through the next command, how to copy a file, name of the command cp, and next mkdir to make a directory, and inside the directory, how to enter inside the directory, cd and cd space name of the directory, and how to exit of this existing directory, cd space dot dot. Next class will bring us the another command of the Unix. Thank you very much.